First time I have to do this to my car. I should have drove it the last 3 days. I guess I did try to do it last night, so that's why I'm doing it on this Martin Luther King Monday morning. Alright, it finally kicked in. It took like 10 minutes. Alright, I'm trying this little gadget for the first time to pump air. And I set it at 30 earlier. I just gotta press the on button. Or the power button. I think. What's up with that? Alright, I had to hold on to the power button for a while. Now I can do it. I set it at 30. Why does it say 34? Okay. At least here, I'll show you the light button. See, the light works. It's not kicking in. Alright, so I use a size 10 to remove that one, and 9/16 or 6/16 to do that one. And then you brush that off. Alright, it took a while to get this hook. I put it underneath that little, not underneath battery, but that little gap. So if you ever have to do that, just do it under that gap. Alright, I was able to get the hook underneath that platform. I don't know if you can see it, but praise the Lord, hallelujah. I'm trying to zoom in, but it won't let me. There we go.